In this vlog, we will see how to make a retrofit call in Flutter. So generally, we have seen few general topics till now in Flutter. So today we will make a network call and we will fetch the data from API and we'll try to populate it on a list view in Flutter. So before getting any further, let us see what are the requirements here. So we need to add retrofit in dependencies. So here I am not mentioning any specific version, so here we are specifying any, and also JSON annotations, and also retrofit generator. So we will be seeing what we will do with this retrofit generator and build runner. Okay, so these are the four things we need to make sure we add them before proceeding any further. So let us get into the topic. So here you can see we have declared a list view, and in this list view we will be passing the data which we are getting from the list, which we are getting from the API we are parsing. Okay, so first we need to go through this particular file, and here I have specified a URL. So here we are making a get call and we are passing all the variables. So this is the data which we are getting from the API. So the first thing we need to do is, after writing this file, we need to generate this particular file. So this is a retrofit generator. Running this particular command will generate you a script. So as we have already generated the script, I will be showing you the file here. So in the main.dart, we have declared a method build body to which we are passing context as a parameter. So using which we will be checking whether the snapshot.connection state is equals to connection state.done. So whenever the API calling is successfully completed, then this particular block of code will be executed. Till then we will be showing a circular progress indicator as you have seen. So after the successfully completion of the API call, we will be returning this particular build post, and also here with the parameters like context, and also the data is being also passed on. So here we are passing these two parameters, and based on these parameters we will try to build a list. So the length of the list is considered to be the number of items we are trying to display. So here we are finding out the length and we are adding a basic padding here, and then we are trying to make a card view inside which we have provided an elevation, and we have declared a child as a list tile, and then inside the list tile we have specified the text as a name we have considered, and in subtitle we have considered email address, and I have added one more thing like leading, inside which I have considered an image. So we are having more than 5 to 6 parameters variables in the JSON, right? So I am trying to show you only 3 here. You may try according to your requirement. So here I am just showing a basic version of list view. So I am trying with these simple parameters only. The result is this way. We can see our list is loaded, and here you can see the images because we are getting the same from API also. If you try to load this API, here you can see we are getting the same image. So this is it for this tutorial. If you are having any queries in this particular tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below, and also try to follow previous tutorials so as to get a better experience in making your applications. And do let us know your queries in comment section below, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos coming up on Flutter.